my dear friends, I am going to show you how to harvest seeds. As I've already indicated in one of my previous videos, I don't buy tomato seeds and many other seeds because I harvest from what I'm already eating. So what you see in front of you are tomatoes I just harvested about a few minutes ago from my own garden. You will see pictures and videos of my backyard garden in my other videos, but this is my glorious harvest for today. It's a glorious Sunday. So you see green ones, you see red ones. The reason I've picked the green ones is because they're incredibly tasty and I love adding them to my dishes. They also have great nutritional properties, which I will advise you have a look at if you are interested. So I like doing a mix of green and red. Sometimes I even have just green, depending on what dish I'm preparing. These I picked to make a quick onion and tomato gravy with some herbs. But before I do that, I want to show you how to harvest seeds. It's time for me to do that because my current tomato plants are getting a little bit old, and I think it's time I prepare the next generation of plants. So I'm pretty excited to show you this. I'm doing it together with a friend of my daughter who's just 7 years old. So she's going to show you how to pick seeds from tomatoes. And here it goes. So I suggest you cut the tomatoes in half, and then once you've cut them in half, it will be easy for you. Once you've cut them in half, it will be easy for you to access the seeds. Using a bread knife, as you can see, it's so easy. A 7-year-old gets it done quite easily. So she's going to do another one. Well done, you're doing a good job. Keep going. Whoops. That's fine. Do another one. As you can see, it's pretty easy. And using this method ensures that you're also not cutting the seeds and causing them damage, because if they're damaged, they probably won't germinate. And you see there on her right hand side are the ones that I had already done. This is pretty much more than enough seed, in actual fact, that has already been done. Go for another one. Okay, she's going to take another one and show you again. It's quick and easy. Be sure you choose to preserve seeds from your best tomatoes. When I say that, I mean look at the color, look at the size, and look at how well the tomato did in terms of fighting successfully against plant diseases. So look at the healthiest tomatoes that you can find from your harvest and pick seeds from those ones, because they are likely to pass on those characteristics to your next produce. So do this selection thoughtfully. Brilliant. Thank you, Manene. You've done a brilliant job, girl. Well done. And that, my friends, is how you harvest tomato seeds. By the way, you don't need to dry these before you can put them in the ground. You can do that immediately while the seeds are wet. They will germinate. You don't need to dry them. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned from this video. I'm surely going to enjoy the tomato and onion gravy I'm about to make. I'm looking forward to it. And remember, always keep those fingers green.